We took this setup again and again, and it won 76% of the time. And there's a very specific reason why. Because it uses an indicator, which makes it mechanical and therefore easily repeatable. Now, let me show you exactly how it works, including the setup, the entry, and the rules you need to follow. And stay tuned as I will give you free access to this very indicator. So let's look at the results for the last 3 months. We've got June, July, and August. And as you can see, guys, we're making some great profits. More importantly, we share every trade that we take in our VIP Academy as well, guys, right? So just scroll down. You can see we're having great success with these trades. We're actually going to look at this Euro Aussie dollar sell trade. And we entered it again as well because it gave us a setup, this Euro Aussie dollar sell. So let's jump into the chart and understand these examples. So let's look at those Euro Aussie dollar examples. And here we have the Euro Aussie dollar, the H4 chart. And this is the only chart you need to look at because our indicator does all the heavy lifting for you. Now, let's understand the indicator because when our smart river is red, okay, this signifies a downtrend, okay, and when our indicator river is green, this signifies an uptrend, okay. It has price action logic built into it. And if you don't believe me, guys, look at exactly when price breaks. So we're in this downtrend once we get a break of those lows. And that candle right there breaks the lows. You can see our river turns red. And the same happens here. We're in this H4 downtrend and then bang, we break these highs, big bullish candle, our river turns green, signifying an uptrend. So this logic is based on every time frame, guys, right? You could use this on H4, H1, and the daily. And from the daily, we also get the daily bias, which as you can see is bearish. So the same logic is based on the daily, and that is telling us to sell. So this is how simple this strategy is. All I do is look in the top right hand corner. I don't need to look at any other time frame, and the daily is telling me bearish. That means I want to sell. Then I look at the H4 chart, which we are on, and I want to see the river red, signifying a downtrend. So at this point, we have a daily downtrend and we have a H4 downtrend. That in itself means you're going to have high probability trades. The next part, number 3, is simply a bearish candle at the river. And it's as simple as that, guys. 1, 2, 3. Okay, in here you can see we have a bearish candle that reacts at our river. You can see here we have a bearish candle that reacts at our river. Here you can see a bearish candle that reacts at our river. And this is where we would enter. And we're looking for a risk to reward of 1:1. So the sell trades would look something like this. And with this system, we're looking for a risk to reward of 1:1, but we let some partial profits run. So very simply, guys, you can see bearish reaction. We start selling, stops above the high. We get our 1:1. We let some profit run. Okay. Trade number 2, we get our entry candle at the river, stops above the candle. We get our 1:1. We let some profit run. And then trade number 3, guys, you can see we entered off this candle here. I would actually put my stop above that candle there. But again, we get our risk to reward of 1:1 and we can let some profit run. So that's how simple and mechanical this strategy is, guys. You don't need to leave the H4 chart, right? You look in the top right-hand corner for daily trend. We then look on the H4 for trend on the daily to match up with the H4. We then wait for a candle to react at our smart river and we enter. It doesn't get any more simpler than that. And this is what's delivering 76% win rate. So if you want free access to this indicator, guys, we're offering you a 7-day free trial. You also get access to our VIP Academy. The link is down below in the vid description, so go check it out. Have a great trading day and I'll see you soon.